Hello guys, good day to everyone. First of all, I just want to thank the IC Yuri Fashion Boutique. So I received already the coats which I ordered. This one has arrived this afternoon. So actually, I was really hesitating to buy this one kasi yun nga, akala ko kasi baka pangit. Pero when I got this one, oh my god, I really love it. Oh my gosh. Take a look, the material is perfect. And then, medyo heavy talaga yung niya. Heavy yung material niya. Sobrang ganda. So, ang daming packet. Ayan. Anyways, tumingin na rin kasi ako sa marketplace, pero sobrang expensive nila. So, minsan kasi parang nagsawa na ako katitingin nun. So, nakita ko to si Ma'am Juby, which is my manager when I was in Kenner Rogers. Ayan. So, shout out sa iyo, Ma'am Juby, Ronquillo. Thank you so much for this. So, I'm gonna use this when I go to Hong Kong because I have the seminar. So, parang speechless ako. So, ito yung inclusion niya. Meron siya ditong authentication. This one. Ayan. And then, yung well packaged naman. Ito yung lagayan niya. So, pag tinignan natin sa loob, is sobrang ganda. Ang bigat din na in fairness. Tapos, meron doon, naka-indicate doon na Coach. Ayan, dito sa hindi ko masyado pero meron yan sa loob. Ayan. And this one. So, trinay ko naman na sabi ko, I'm gonna use talaga this one for my seminar. So, meron din dito nakalagay ng mga, parang I don't know, serial ata ito. Serial number or for the authentication. And then this one. So, thank you very much. Thank you so much. So, don't hesitate kayo mag-order sa kanya. In fact, I'm planning actually to get one, the brown one naman, pag merong available. So, thanks. God bless us all. Ayan. And then, ito rin pala yung niya, lagayan niya. Ayan. Thank you, Ma'am Juby Ronquillo. I love it. I'm gonna use this. Okay, so see you on November. Makikita mo ito. Gagamitin ko talaga ito. In fact, bumili na rin ako ng iba, pero medyo naliitan ako. So, ito na ang first choice ko talaga. Itong gagamitin ko. Thanks. I love you. Please don't forget to support yung ni Ma'am Ronquillo. Ayan, I Secure Fashion Boutique. Okay, bye-bye!